Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shujat Ali from Medico's Lectures by Shujat, and today our topic is spinal cord. First, let us discuss where spinal cord is located in our body. Medulla oblongata in our brain, it narrows down, and near the vertebral column, in vertebral column, spinal cord is located. Spinal cord, I have already drawn it, and now I will let you understand it. Here we have a structure of spinal cord. Here is a central canal, gray matter, white matter, vestibular spinal tract, medullary spinothalamic tract, and lateral corticospinal tract and dorsal lateral spinothalamic tract. This is spinocerebral tract. In the dorsal root of spinal cord we have axons and sensory neurons, and in the ventral root of spinal cord, ventral nerve root, we have motor neurons. Here is the structure of spinal cord. In the next diagram I will tell you about the nerves of spinal cord. Nerves, here is a brain, and we have cranial nerves right here. There is 8 pair of cranial nerves, 12 pairs of thoracic nerves, and 5 lumbar and 5 sacral nerves, and then 1 coccygeal spinal nerve. And in the meninges of spinal cord, meninges are there for the protection of spinal cord. We have pia mater at the first, then in between the pia mater we have arachnoid mater, and then we have dura mater. They act as a protector for the spinal cord, and we also called it as a meninges of spinal cord. Now we have the spinal cord structure of cervical vertebra. Here is a dorsal root, here is a spinal nerve, ventral root, gray matter, and central canal. Gray matter is basically non-myelinated and contains cell bodies or axons, and the white matter in the spinal cord is myelinated. And the ventral root and the dorsal root are also discussed. Ventral root contain motor neurons, and they are contain sensory nerves tract. Dorsal root. Now we have 2 horns in the spinal cord. First, lateral gray horn, and second is ventral gray horn. Lateral gray horn extend along the length of the cord and bulge out of the thoracic and the lumbar portion of the spinal cord, and the cerebrospinal fluid runs into the internal length of the spinal cord. Internal length of spinal cord contain cerebrospinal fluid. Now, dura mater is the external membrane of the spinal cord, and arachnoid matter is in middle, and the pia mater is in outer portion. They have their role in protection of the spinal cord. I will already Now I explain you the cranial nerves. In spinal cord we have 12 pair of cranial nerves. Cranial nerves connect the brain to the different parts of body such as head, trunk, and neck, such as oculomotor nerve, oculomotor, olfactory nerve. They are the examples of cranial nerves. And in spinal nerve we have 31 pair of spinal nerves. They are in the lumbar, cervical, and thoracic, and coccygeal and sacrum regions. We have 31 pair of spinal nerve.